don't think anyone's ever accused me of being the kind of person who finishes one project before they start another. Or even the kind of person who finishes a project. No one's ever said that about me. So with that in mind, here's another project that I haven't got time for. Alright, well that's step one or chapter one or whatever you want to call it. We've got a base of a 3D printer. Wasn't too hard. Starting to look a bit chaotic down there. Day 2, part 2. That was a bit tougher than yesterday's, but still quite easy. It's like it's Lego for grown-ups, is what it is. Yeah, good fun. There we have it. From the back, there's the PSU. All the wiring for that's all really nicely buried in there. Hopefully it's all connected correctly. And there's most of the actual controller electronics. That's all cabled up there. And we've got the fans in. I'm just going to turn it around. On the other side we've got the cable and presumably the earth lead for the LCD screen. That was chapter 3 of 10 apparently. So if I continue at this rate I should have it done in 10 days. I think that's quite unlikely, to be honest. Alright, chapter 4 done. So that's the heat bed installed. And yeah, first hint of trouble. Let me flip you around. There. So yeah, it went okay actually, it's all done. That's the heat bed all in place. Yeah, just these, when you screw these on through these nuts here, I tightened one just slightly too much and the captive hex nut in the bottom started to spin. And that happened at the same time as I realised I had the thing on upside down and needed to take it off, which was very difficult. Anyway, I made it in the end, a bit of ingenuity, minor ingenuity. But yeah. That wasn't straightforward, but anyway, it's done. It's all still pretty simple. Yeah, I can't believe it's actually, I'll be amazed when it works. Right, onwards and upwards, chapter 5 tomorrow, whatever that is. Alright, there's the XY module, or whatever. The thing, XY thing installed. I'm gonna say that was hard. Well, it was the hardest bit so far. I made it harder than it needed to be. But yeah, no, that's the job done. It's starting to look like an actual 3D printer now. There's still a lot of bits left, but I think that's chapter 5 of 10. So maybe we could say we're halfway. There's another step complete. That's the extruder. And I'll tell you what I've learned through building that, and it's that this thing was not designed by human beings. There's absolutely no way. I'm sorry. This is advanced alien technology that somehow landed on Earth. That thing's just incredible. Can't believe it. Hopefully it's going to work. That was pretty complicated. I think I've done it right. We'll find out soon. A few days maybe. All right, there we are. I think we've just really got the door and the roof to put on. Roof's the right word. And the control panel at the front. Yeah, that was annoying. I couldn't get the NFC connector on. It's one of those tiny little antenna connectors, and I've done them before in phones and stuff, but it wasn't having it. Yeah, I just chucked it away and then so there's no NFC. I might get another one. We'll see. I don't know why I want NFC anyway, so there you go. So I might finish this tomorrow. Fingers crossed. If you don't mind, I'm going to stand out here, away from those fumes. The next thing I'm getting is the filter, the HEPA filter for it, but I wanted to see it actually work first. I can't believe it's actually working.